No speak. Speak. Today, that's his prize. Yep.
Yeah, that one's over there. TJ, you're on. He can come and get it. Alright. Yeah,
Is that TJ?
No, that's Holly.
That's Holly and chicken. If you don't finish it, I can have it. January. February 10, second day ng golf competition. Si Kuya may award. Okay, tell us what you got.
Longest drive.
Longest drive.
Best front line and the winner.
Winner, this one.
Yep.
And this one is?
Best front score.
Best
First one.
front nine.
Front nine.
Yeah.
First, front nine.
Best.
Best front nine. Well done. Tatlo yung award ni Kuya.
Yeah,
Kahapon isa. Second runner-up siya. This time, first runner-up na siya. Tapos ang dami niya, oh. Longest drive. Best front night score. So, may $60 si Kuya. Is that $60, ha? Yeah. Wow.
I know, right?
February 12. Pick up ko lang sa kanya sa school and diretso kayo dito sa coast. Then, si Holly mamaya, mayroon siyang dancing. Thank you, Sa.
Looking for you.
No dance?
No dance.
Like on the bus?
Yes.
These are my socks. These are my little new. Going on the trampoline is so scared. Did you look at the cat? It's the last one.
Papa. This one has seed, okay?
First, I'll get my snacks. Okay, Mom, this is all that I want, Mommy. Oh, Mommy, do right this time. Mama, look, it fits perfectly. And that has to go right here, Mom.
No, I have to put the pretzels
My
here.
pretzels. The pretzels are yummy, Mom. Kind of hang on. Because then I will cucumber.
It's finished, so I have to get one. But this one has cucumber.
Mom, you said you were going to get strawberries yesterday.
Yeah, but
You
yeah.
come shopping.
You want cheese for your pretzels? No more Oreo? Wait, go up there. Oh, this is clear.
I have this one. This one's berry flavor. I got the berry flavor, Mom. It's healthy. Very much. I got time.
We're all the same, Baba. What's your friend?
I got the strawberry flavor.
Bumpy your... Hurry up! Oh my God. Okay, let's go. There's second. In a minute.
I'll have that from yesterday.
And say one.
February 12. Pick up ko lang sa kanya sa school and diretso kayo dito sa coast. Then si Holly mamaya mayroon siyang dancing. Thank you, Sak. Are you checking?
Yeah. That's money here.
Yeah, this is the one I always get. What's that, Holly? Let me see.
Look at the top.
Okay.
We had these.
Get the mixed one. Mix. There's mix.
This one.
Yeah.
That one's
They're good. We tried them before.
I've got mini coleslaw for my thingy. Get them, do you know what? They're just like one whole thing.
Yeah, I know. So I can put on your lunchbox.
But
Where's those half? Mom?
no.
Get that one. The fun.
Do you have something left? Cheetos puffs?
Thank you.
Welcome.
Is Jasmine just like the normal one?
Mm-hmm. Binata na si Sak. Naghanap na siya ng deodorant. Well, gumagamit na siya. Ito lang nung Pasko. Kasi rinigaloan sila ni Auntie Mel. Okay, hurry up. Kino-compare niya naman ang price. What's wrong, Nak? Get the bigger one.
Which one?
I don't know. You said you want the Don or whatever cookies. Ah, fresh.
That one smells good.
Smell?
Can I smell it?
It's alright.
Oh, look at it. That one. Yeah.
I don't smell it. What's that one? Yeah, that's nice, Zach.
I like this one.
I like that one. Oh.
This one.
Oh. Tagal na naman tayo dito.
No.
Nice.
It's not.
I like that too.
Oh, you can't decide.
I know.
You like this one too, no?
I don't know, whatever you want.
Get to it.
They're all the same. What are you looking for? The price?
No, they're all the same, but which one?
Any. This one. I like this one.
This one. This one.
Yung isa is Dark Temptation. Oh, stop it. Ano?
You like cookie?
I know, it's like cookie. You want to smell like cookie? That one is fresh. Ayaw ko sa'yo. Bahala ka dyan. Whatever you want, okay? Wala na. Tagal na naman natin dito. 2 minutes na to, guys. When we were at the house, you said you want the cookie, whatever.
Cookie dough. This one.
Hirap maghanap ng deodorant nisa. Well, just get both. Yeah. Kasi pag hindi baka isang oras tayo dito. Ayun.
We're at TJ. He needs something on the body.
I don't know what he wants. That one.
Cookie dough, because he has the
Who's TJ?
here.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, all happy now. Okay, let's go.
Yes.
We need body soap. Daddy wants the mango. Yeah, mango.
I like this one too.
Okay, get the cucumber. Okay.
Instead.
Cucumber daw yung gusto niya. Okay, go get it.
This one's a good one.
Don't put it there. Okay. Paraw sila ng super duper kasi mainit. Yeah. Is it sour?
Yeah, it won't be sour when it's thick.
Kuha tayo ng edamame. Okay. Need carrots and peas. Carrots and peas. Where is it? Carrots and peas. Here. But this is not the brand that we used to get.
Carrot and pea.
Not that one. Where's the other one? The other one that we used to get. No, there's none. It's alright. Just one for now, it's alright. Toilet paper. Yeah.
Get the toilet paper.
Yeah. Put it there now, Holly. Okay, I think we're good for now. Kumuha sila ng drinks. What's that one?
Water Gatorade.
Water. Gatorade.
Melon.
Melon?
Yeah, watermelon.
Watermelon. Okay.
Cold.
All the cold one first. Thank you. right there, Baba? Alright. Ano yung isa? Good?
I promise.
Good?
Yeah.
Ay, ang sarap. Ang sarap. Pagod na yung estudyante ko. Put, here. Put this one. Mag-ship din pala ako, guys. Ayan. Punta tayo mag-grocery. Ayan, ngayon, mag-ship ako. And ayan. Ah, yeah, we're gonna get bread pa pala. Inaayos lang namin para magkasya sa car. Buti na lang talaga kasama ko ang mga bata ng grocery kasi may katulong tayo. Okay, can you move this one out? Do you think it will fit? Can you put this one on all the way there? Come on, hurry up. What are you doing? You're not gonna open all that now?
Yeah, I know.
May pa-free silang ganun. Ano, what you call that? Pokemons. Oh, holy. Sak, no, it won't fit. Can you put that toilet paper on top, please?
How about we have it in here?
And this one, put all the way down. Okay. Then, I need, no, this box, oops, that box first. Yeah. Wait. Remove this. Get that box. Careful.
What's in it?
Some gourmet bottles. This one put on top, please. Yes, and this one, can we put this on the side? Can you move that one? Move that one. Yeah, and then push that one. Careful. Okay, you can put that on top.
On top of here?
Yeah, alright. Okay. Perfect. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Dito pala tayo sa Baker's Delight. And ayun na yung tinapay, yung sliced bread. Low GI yung kinuha natin. Yan yung gustong bread ni Jan. Ako yung sana, yung high protein. Pero, ayun na yan. It's full now. Okay. Post office naman tayo. Ayun yung dalawa. And meron din tayo dito. Okay, go inside. 5 o'clock pa yung ano ni Holly. Dance lesson niya. Here's a waist here. Nahatid na namin si Holly sa kanyang dance lesson. So may 1 hour tayo. 6. Yeah, 1 hour kami mag-edit. Mag-edit ako. Dala ko yung laptop. Ang init ngayon, siksak. Ayan, kumakain na siya ng... Is that mint? Yes, Oreo mint. And mamaya pupunta ako dyan. Kuha ako ng spaghetti sauce. Hi. Thank you. Still editing. And si Sak, kinuha niya na si Holly sa dance lesson kasi 5 o'clock ang labas ni Holly. 6 o'clock, 5:56 na. Ayan. 5:56 na. So, lalabas na yun si Holly anytime. Thank you, Kuya Sak. Okay.
I did like 3 moves, that's all.
Yeah, they just started. Pinanood niya kasi yung process ni Holly. 3 steps pa lang daw. Okay, let's go, Baba. Put your seatbelt. Uwi na tayo. Bye na kami.
Oh, the chicken's heavy.
Chicken, okay. This is our dinner tonight. Ayan na yung ating pinamili kanina. And yung mga bata nasa labas maliligo sila sa ano. Siyempre sa tubig, sa sprinkler. Oh, narinig niyo? With water balloon. Mag-sprinkler sila and water balloon andoon. Ayan na sila. Okay, mag-put away lang ako. So, yan yung dinner na. Wala si Jan. Dito na si Jan and... Ha? Papakita niya sa daddy niya yung nabili niyang deodorant. Ayan. Because he can't decide.
Didn't know which one. But now I know.
Which one? Mas gusto niya yung... What's the other? What's the name?
It's dark
Temptation. Dark Temptation.
temptation and NARCHY.
Alright.
Archery.
Archery. Ayan, nahugasan ko na yung strawberries, lahat ng berries. And ang dami kong nagamit na. Ito ba yung paper towel? Kasi drinay ko talaga ng mabuti yung mga berries. And chinap ko na rin yung cucumber. Etong cucumber na to, may dala si Jang galing kila Tommy. So, tinanggalan ko siya ng balat kasi meron siyang pang spiky. So, yung nabili natin, hindi ko muna ginamit kasi ito muna inuna ko. Tapos yan, carrots and ayan na yung chicken. Yung isang chicken kinain namin. Tapos yan yung isa. Hinimay ko na para pambawang-baw ng mga bata. Then meron din tayo dito yung lettuce. Merong shredded and merong yung hindi. So, yan. Yan yung yan yung kanilang babaunin. Then may ham din tayo. Tapos salami. Tapos chicken kasi yung chicken wraps kasi gustong-gusto rin nila. 11:34 na guys. Katapos ko lang dito sa kusina. Na-put away ko lahat and nahugasan ko lahat ng fruits and veggies. And ayan, nahugasan ko na rin yung baunan nila. So ready na yan bukas. So end ko na yung vlog guys. So yun na yung vlog natin guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Ay malinis na dyan. So punta ako sa aking live selling. Kasi hindi ko pa tapos yung in-edit ko pa bukas na lang yung guys. So yun na guys. Thank you. I-off ko na rin yung like dito. So yun na guys. Good night. So yun na yung vlog natin guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Ay malinis na dyan. So punta ako sa aking live selling. Kasi hindi ko pa tapos yung in-edit ko pa bukas na lang yung guys. So yun na guys. Thank you. I-off ko na rin yung like dito. So yun na guys. Good night.
'Cause I think